Alright dudes, this is how you master blast your oil sump clean with the snap-on pressure washer. Sorry for the bad video, but I'm the only one filming because I'm the only one crazy enough to be out here. Here's the oil sump, snowstorm, about to turn this on. Crap. Sorry about that. Okay. Alright. Here we go. See, it's pretty dirty here. Now this is hot water. It's going to be slow, but it'll do it. This has already been soaking for about a day in my utility sink with Simple Green. So I'll take another picture after we're done. Alright, hello everyone. Here is my super clean and shiny oil sump after I pressure washed it in the snow. And man, it is clean. Nothing like a little Simple Green and a hot pressure washer can do. It's as good as it's going to get. So what I did was I took and numbered all the bolt holes the way that they go. It's backwards, but I'll flip around here. So as you see here, we got 1, 2, 3, and so on. So you know which way to start all the bolts to torque them up to 22 Newton meters. And also, here's the oil gasket that comes from Atlantic British AB, and it says it's proven quality, so we'll find out, because I don't really want to do all this again anytime soon, at least for another 60,000 miles. Alright, looking pretty good.